Tech Motors family, this is the 1999 Honda CRV. It comes with 55,681 original miles. It is powered by the reliable B20B 2.0 liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. This vehicle is 4-wheel drive. It comes with 2 doors in the front, 2 rear doors, and a rear hatch. If you're going to open the rear hatch, you're going to have to push this button. These seats do stow away to create more room. You do also have the interior hanging rails on each side. You do have this stowaway middle console. Alright, we are going to take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. The number that you're seeing up top, 89,610, that is the kilometers. The miles again is 55,681. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We'll go ahead and start on the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com. Or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. Thank you guys so much for the continual support. We appreciate each and every one of y'all. I do pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.